Hello students, in the next part of We Are Not Afraid to Die, if we can all be together, we will continue with this point, that is by morning on January 3rd. By morning on January 3rd, the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control. Before that, we have studied that how they were able to pump some water out with the help of electric pump that was spared. There are two water pump, they were blocked, and one electric pump that was short circuited. And anyhow, captain find out the electric pump, and he had started the pumping out the water. And also, Sue had not showed a deep cut on her arm, and because she did not worry the captain because he was saving them all. So, with continuation by the morning third, because the storm had come at the dawn, not dawn, but at the dusk of January 2nd. So, in the morning of January 3rd, the pumps had the water because they were pumping out water, and the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control for us to take 2 hours rest in rotation. So, in a rotation, they could now take a rest. What does it mean? One by one, out of the 4 men who were working, Larry, Herb, Captain, and Larry, they were working continuously, and out of them, one could take a rest of 2 hours in a rotation. So, anyhow, they had controlled the water level in a sufficient way. But we still had a tremendous leak somewhere below the water line. But the captain was thinking that they had a tremendous hole somewhere under the water line. It means the water line is here, suppose the water line with which they are moving, and blew this water line somewhere at the blue, or somewhere at the, you can say, the lower part of the ship. There was a tremendous or a big leak from where the water was continuously coming into the ship. I found that nearly all the boats, he found that all the boats main rib frames were smashed down the keel. What is keel? Keel is the lower part, पेंदा जिसे आप बोलते हैं, of the ship. So this part had been smashed, especially the main rib frames. Rib are the like human ribs, that is the main portion, front portion. If they are smashed, you can imagine the situation. In the same way, the ribs on which the whole body of the ship was arranged, पूरा जो ढांचा है जिसके ऊपर स्टैंड कर रहा था, that main rib was broken. He is saying, I found that nearly all the boats main rib frames were smashed down the keel. And down the keel, ये ऊपर से जैसे स्टार बोर्ड और राइट साइड, दैट वाज टोल्ड, एंड दैट वाज ब्रोकन इवन एट द लोअर साइड. ऊपर से लेकर के नीचे तक सारे टिम्बर्स हैं, सारे बोर्ड हैं, लकड़ी है, दैट वाज ब्रोकन. In fact, there was nothing holding up a whole section of the starboard side. Once again, he is saying starboard side or the right side, that was not taking, the whole section was totally damaged. Starboard hull or the wooden furniture, except a few cupboards partition, and there were only few cupboard partitions were there, or a few you can say timber or the boards were hanging there. कुछ ही लकड़ी के तख्ते हैं वो हैंग कर रहे थे, otherwise everything was totally destroyed from there. We had survived for 15 hours since the wave hit. Next he is saying that after the wave hit they had survived for 15 hours. 15 घंटे बीत चुके थे, but wave walker wouldn't hold together long enough for us to reach Australia. The next part where they should have reached, that was Australia, out of Cape Town when they had started their journey. The second part was to reach Australia. They had actually started their journey from the England, Plymouth, and the first part of journey, that was to reach at Cape Town, South Africa, and after that they are going to the next part, that was to be Australia. So he is saying that the wave walker was not in such a condition that they could reach Australia. I checked our charts and calculated. The captain checked his charts and calculated that there were two small islands a few hundred kilometers to the east. And he thought that there could be two little islands where, because they couldn't reach Australia, so suppose they are in the mid and there at some where two little islands were present. So he was thinking that at a few hundred kilometers to the east they could find two small islands there, and one of them was Isle Amsterdam, was a French scientific base, and he thought that one of them is also named as Isle Amsterdam, and it was also a French scientific base. What does it mean? That the French or the people of France country, especially the scientists, they are working on that particular island for some research. So that particular island belonged to French, and they were doing their scientific research there. It means probability of one of the island of them, chances of the people who could save them. ये प्रोबेबिलिटी थी कि उनमें से एक आइलैंड के ऊपर क्या है, फ्रेंच साइंटिस्ट हैं और वो उनको बचा सकते हैं. और ओनली होप वाज टू रीच these pinpricks in the vast ocean. So only hope of them was to reach these pinpricks. What are pinpricks? It means if you can make a prick or a hole with the help of a pin, it means the whole vast ocean is this. पूरा जो समुद्र है वो ये है और आप कहीं पर एक पिन टिका रहे हैं, that is a pin prick. It means the small island is like a pin prick. जैसे पिन से आपने कोई होल कर दिया हो इस पूरे कागज़ के ऊपर या पूरे दैट इज़ ओशन के ऊपर. सो दोज आइलैंड्स वर लाइक पिन प्रिक्स इन द वास्ट ओशन. इस बड़े समुद्र के अंदर पिन के समान एक होल बना दें, इतनी जगह के समान थे वो आइलैंड. बट दोज आइलैंड्स वर रियली वंडरफुल फॉर देम इफ दे कुड सेव देयर लाइफ. सो only their hope was to reach on the small land that was in the vast ocean. But unless the wind and seas abated, so we could hoist sail, our chances would be slim indeed. But even then, the captain is saying, unless the wind and seas abated, कि जब तक जो हवा है वो तेज चल रही है, seas here means the sea waves, they were also coming with high speed, even they were also at a certain height, they abated or became less. कि जब तक वो कम नहीं हो जाती है, लेस नहीं हो जाती हैं, उनकी स्पीड कम नहीं हो जाती है, वी कुड होस्ट सेल, ताकि हम सेल को होस्ट कर सकें, सेल को एक तिरपाल को चढ़ा सकें ताकि हम अपनी शिप को आगे बढ़ा सकें, बोट को आगे बढ़ा सकें. और चांसेस वुड बी स्लिम इंडीड, कि हमारे जो चांसेस हैं दे रियली वर वेरी स्लिम, दे आर वेरी लेस, कि बहुत ही कम चांस है कि हम आगे वहाँ तक भी पहुँच पाएंगे. द ग्रेट वेव हैड पुट आवर एक्जुलरी इंजन out of action, because the great or the mighty wave that had hit at the evening of 2nd January, that had really hit their auxiliary engine out of action, कि उनका जो auxiliary engine था, सहायक जो इंजन था, वो भी out of action हो चुका है. They can't move with the help of engine even, and that's why they were in a very bad condition to reach even on this particular island they were searching for. Anyhow, they had reached on January 4, and after 36 hours of continuous pumping, so they had continuously pumping out the water for 36 hours. We reached the last few centimeters of water, and because they were pumping out water more and more, only a small part of the ship at the keel part, at the you can say blue part, that was taking water inside. Otherwise they were pumping out water continuously. So only a last few centimeters of water was there. Now we had only to keep pace with the water still coming in. Now they had to only pace or pump out water. How much water is coming in? जितना पानी अंदर आ रहा था उतना ही पानी बाहर निकालने की जरूरत थी. We could not set any sail. Once again he is saying that they could not sail on the main mast. Main mast is the tower on the ship. So they could not hoist main pal, that is main mast, that is sail, any type of a jib, किसी प्रकार का जो जिब है, तिरपाल है, वो इसके ऊपर वो नहीं टांग सकते थे, बिकॉज प्रेशर ऑन द रिगिंग वुड सिंपली पुल द डैमेज सेक्शन ऑफ द हल पार्ट, बिकॉज दे हैड ए फियर दैट देयर कुड बी प्रेशर ऑन द रैगिंग, जो रस्सियाँ थी उनके ऊपर प्रेशर आएगा एंड दे कुड मूव पुल आउट द डैमेज्ड पार्ट ऑफ द शिप, कि जो शिप का जो डैमेज्ड पार्ट है दैट कुड बी पुल्ड आउट, कि वो सारा का सारा खिंच सकता था, टूट सकता था. So we hoisted the storm jib, and that's why instead of the main sail or the main jib, they hoisted the storm jib. हो सकता है थोड़ी सी विंड है वो कम हुई हो, एंड दैट्स वाई दे थॉट दैट बिकॉज दे हैड टू मूव, कि आगे तो बढ़ना पड़ेगा, कम से कम वो जो आइलैंड है उसको तो सर्च करना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट्स वाई दे हैड hoisted with the storm jib and headed for where I thought the two islands were, and they headed towards, they walked towards the particular area. They hoisted for the particular area for where he was thinking that they could reach at the Isle Amsterdam. So he is saying that uh, so we have stayed at the storm with the storm jib and uh, headed for where I thought the two islands were. Mary found some corned beef and crackers biscuits, and we ate our first meal in almost 2 days. And now he is telling they, because now they were somewhat free, they tried to find out some eatables so that they could also uh, eat something. So Mary, the wife of captain, she found some corned beef. Beef, you know, that's meat of cow, and also cracker biscuit, namkeen biscuit. So she found these things, and we ate our first meal in almost 2 days. In almost 2 days, they ate something. They could eat something, but our respite was short-lived. Now even the captain is saying the respite or the rest or the relief time, that was only short-lived. That was only for a short while. थोड़े टाइम के लिए उनका रेस्पाइट आया, because what was the respite? They relieved for some time, like only a few centimeters water was left there, and also they could take rest. They had also taken something or eaten something at that time, but at 4 p.m. black clouds began building up behind us. Once again there were black clouds, they were making their shapes behind them. फिर से black clouds हैं, काले बादल छा गए, and within an hour the wind was back to 40 knots, and within an hour the wind was also at a great speed of 40 knots. 40 की स्पीड, 40 नोट्स की स्पीड के ऊपर जो विंड है, that was coming again, and the seas were getting higher. Seas means the sea waves. Sea waves were also going higher and higher. The weather continued to deteriorate throughout the night, and night of the 4th January, that was also becoming to deteriorate higher and higher. मौसम है वो और ज़्यादा ख़राब होता चला गया, deteriorate होता चला गया. And by dawn on January 5, and on January 5 in the morning before sunrise, our situation was again desperate. They were again in a desperate situation, in a disappointment. बहुत ही निराशाजनक स्थिति के अंदर वो फिर से पहुंच गए. When I went into comfort the children, so he went to the children cabin to comfort them, to give them courage. John asked the boy of only 6 years. He asked, "Daddy, are we going to die?" He is asking to his father by watching the situation, that the situation is so worse that we could again in a situation the ship could turn again, and he asked the question, "Daddy, are we going to die?" I tried to assure him that we could make it. Anyhow, captain tried to assure him. कैप्टन ने उसको आश्वासन दिया that we could make it, कि हम इसे बिल्कुल ओवरकम करेंगे, we could overcome it. But the boy said, "But daddy," he went on, "we are not afraid to die of dying if we can all be together. You and mummy, you and I." What a wording of a small child of 6 years. That's also the title of the lesson. We are not afraid of dying if we can all be together, you and mummy, you and I. You can imagine how the reaction of a little child. What was the reaction of a little child? छोटे बच्चे के अंदर इतनी हिम्मत कहाँ से आई? हाउ ही हैड गॉट सो मच ग्रेस एंड ही सेड दैट वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड टू डाई, हमें मरने का कोई डर नहीं है अगर हम सभी साथ हैं, मम्मी पापा मैं और मेरी बहन शिव. So that was wording of a little boy. A little boy. I could find no words with which to respond. Father or the captain, he couldn't respond, he couldn't reply. उत्तर नहीं था उसके पास इस बात का. But I left the children's cabin determined to fight the sea with everything I had. But he left the children's cabin after that, and he was determined to fight the sea with everything he had. जो भी उसके पास बचा था, जो भी चीज़ें बची थी उसके साथ उसने डिसाइड कर लिया that I have to fight. And to protect the weakened starboard side, I decided to heave to with the undamaged port hull facing the oncoming waves. And after that, he thought that he should. So the captain decided the undamaged part of the ship should face the oncoming waves. कि जो पार्ट है जो कि डैमेज नहीं है उसको फेस करना चाहिए वेव्स को, यूजिंग एन इम्प्रोविस्ड सी एंकर. दैट्स अनदर थिंग दैट ही वाज यूजिंग एन इम्प्रोविस्ड, दैट इज वीक नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग. अ सी एंकर, एक सी एंकर उसने यूज किया, वो हाई नाइलॉन रोप, एंड दैट वाज आल्सो हाई नाइलॉन heavy nylon rope and 222 liter plastic barrels of paraffin. So he had also attached them with the broken part to 22 liter plastic barrel of paraffin. Paraffin is a type of you can say oil, and two you can say plastic barrels or big you can say tin cans were there, kettles there. He attached the particular anchor with them so that they could save their ship. That evening, Mary and I sat together. He is telling that on that evening, because they were having a worse situation and their situation is not so good, Mary the wife and captain the husband, they sit together as the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks. And at that time more and more water was coming थ्रू द ब्रोकन प्लैंक्स. टूटे हुए जो प्लैंक्स थे, तख्ते थे, उनमें से और ज़्यादा पानी अंदर रहा था. एट दैट टाइम दे वर थिंकिंग अ लॉट. वी बोथ फेल्ट द एंड वॉज वेरी नियर एंड दे थॉट दैट एंड वॉज नियर, कि अब हमारा अंत नज़दीक है. बट वेव वॉकर रोड आउट द स्टॉर्म, लेकिन वेव वॉकर उस तूफान को पार कर गया. एंड बाय द मॉर्निंग ऑफ जनवरी 6 विद द विंड ईजिंग, एंड ऑन द मॉर्निंग ऑफ January 6, when the wind start to become less, I tried to get a reading on the sextant. That he tried to get a reading on sextant. Sextant is a particular part of the ship where they can calculate or read something. Back in the chart room, after that he also had gone to chart room. I worked on wind speeds. He also worked on wind speeds. Changes of course, how the water the course was changing, drift, the moving of the water, and current of the water. In an effort to calculate our position, he calculated everything. पानी की धारा क्या है, हवा की धारा क्या है, किस प्रकार से उनकी स्पीड है, अगेंस्ट द वाटर है या इन द स्पीड ऑफ वाटर है. सो ही कैलकुलेटेड एवरीथिंग. The best I could determine was that we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometer, 150,000 kilometers of ocean, looking for a 65 kilometer wide island. And he was determined, the best he could determine was that they were searching, they were going to search a 65 kilometer wide island, that was Isle Amsterdam, in this big vast ओशियन ऑफ 150,000 किलोमीटर. केवल एक छोटा सा आइलैंड है, उसको वो सर्च करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे थे. While I was thinking, Shiv moving painfully. So he was thinking about all these things he had calculated again and again. Shiv came there moving painfully, joined me. She joined me. The left side of her head was now very swollen. कि उसके head का जो left side था, that was swollen very much, and her blackened eyes narrowed to slits, एंड हर ब्लैक आइज ऑल्सो बिकम वेरी स्लिट, बिल्कुल जिसके अंदर से आप देख भी नहीं पाए, सच नैरो गैप यू कैन से. शी गेव मी ए कार्ड शी हैड मेड एंड इवन इन पेनफुल सिचुएशन शी हैड मेड ए कार्ड ऑल्सो. उसने एक कार्ड बनाया था. वट वॉज द कार्ड? ऑन द फ्रंट शी हैड ड्रॉन कैरिकेचर्स ऑफ मैरी एंड मी विद द वर्ड्स हियर आर सम फनी पीपल. And actually the intention of the small or little girl was that even in the direst situation they were facing, she could make them laugh. कि अपने पेरेंट्स को इतनी डायरेस्ट सिचुएशन के अंदर भी उनको वो हंसा सके, इसीलिए उसने कार्ड बनाया था. एंड शी हैज़ रिटन द वर्ड्स हियर आर सम फनी पीपल, कि देखो यहाँ पर कुछ फनी पीपल हैं. एंड शी हैड मेड कैरिकेचर्स ऑफ मैरी एंड कैप्टन और मैरी के अपनी मदर और फादर के क्या बनाए थे उसने? कार्टून्स बनाए थे, कैरिकेचर्स बनाए थे. जैसे मजाक कैरिकेचर्स आर यू कैन से बाय विच यू कैन मेक फन ऑफ अ पीपल ऑफ ए पर्सन. किसी आदमी का मजाक के रूप में आप उसके कार्टून बना सकें. सो शी हैज़ मेड सच कार्टून्स. डिड दे मेक यू लाफ? कि ये फनी पीपल हैं, क्या आपको ये हंसा रहे हैं? I laughed a lot as well. Captain was also laughing even in direst situation. Actually, that was only an intention to make them laugh. And inside was a message. अंदर एक मैसेज लिखा हुआ था. Oh how I love you both. कि मैं कितना लव आप दोनों से करती हूँ. So this card is to say thank you and let's hope for the best. She had also written that this card is only say thank you because they were saying they were trying their best to save their lives, and let's hope for the best. And also she had added that she was hoping all the best, कि वो बेस्ट होप कर रही है. इट मीन्स शी वॉज गिविंग ए मैसेज टू बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक इवन इन द डायरेस्ट सिचुएशन. चाहे कितनी ही डायरेस्ट सिचुएशन है उसके बावजूद भी एक छोटी सी लड़की है, वो भी उनको एक इंकरेजमेंट दे रही है कि आपको ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहना है. यू शुड ऑलवेज बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. सम हाउ वी हैड टू मेक इट, कि किसी भी प्रकार से हमें ये करना है. So that was the way. We will continue in the next part.